Game on!
Got three of them.
Game on!
Need a bit.
Right, I'm gonna try and run to that cover. A few you just shoot that way. 3, 2, 1.
Fuck me, we're getting tougher here.
Yep. Big push left. More. Hit! Hit!
I'm stood in a corner and I will still get shot, Mum, and like that.
Oh no. Ow!
Right, we're not getting, I don't think we're gonna.
Fuck it, let's just get out. Dead!
Dead.
Dead one! A push. Did you see me light up them 10 guys at church? Duck! 2-story dead. Is someone in the jungle? Or the woods? You got me saying jungle now.
The guy left side of blue building is TV falling slow.
Go for it, go for it. They've only got one life now, lads.
Slanted building. Got one. I'm moving forward. One's at Snake.
Yeah, one down,
Reloading. Got one at that building in front of Snake. I'm gonna push far wide left. Hit!
Hit.
There's one guy just in front of me in that building. He keeps round.
Ash, 2 in yellow hut.
Yellow hut. Only one left.
Triangle window.
One left in that yellow hut.
One left.
Do you want to move round to that one?
And then there's one in the yellow hut behind it as well. You got pistols.
Yeah, you wanna rush?
Rush.
Hit! Fucking cunt. back.
Whew. Watching from that window there.
Hit! Oh. Sprinting from there all the way back to there again to get taken out.
Vault, I think.
Ah, where the fuck? It.
Where's the box?
Clear. Clear, clear.
I think it's in here. Oh, it's in next one that disarmed it now, guys.
Anyone? Green!
Red! Shit, cut all 3 wires. Wave your hand. Your hand's behind a tree. Wave it. If you're still getting shot, then it's your problem. Fucking hand behind a tree.
About 5 people there.
I got loads, but I forgot to turn my fucking GoPro on. I peeked, sprayed at them all, and then I was like, oh, for fuck's sake. Beep, beep, beep. Oh yeah. That was like ages ago. I've got such a backlog of footage that needs trimming down. It just takes...
You got out straight away.
I'm so confused.
There's a guy fucking behind it.
It takes ages to trim footage down.
I think we all did, to be honest with you.
I appreciate how long it takes to trim down footage now.
What?
To like cut down footage. It takes ages.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting lazy with it.
Yeah, I tried it, and now I'm like a month behind.
That's why I don't set any goals, because then you can never keep them.
Yeah.
Mine is if I get something interesting, then yeah, but otherwise.
I just do it so I've got like little funny moments.
Yeah, I need to keep doing that.
I just label them like Skirmish Airsoft this date, so I remember where to go back to.
Oh, I always forget. I've got
20 kills, kill streak.
With a rental just popping his head out like that.
Do you have a normal speed loader on you?
I was about to say,
Yeah,
not even
2
Like a
5s
speed loader with this.
off them.
I mean, yeah, I was using 2 5s in there. Oh, got it.
Oh, I forgot mine as well. It's on my case.
Is it?
Yeah, I refilled it, and then when I fucked up my BB weights, I was like, oops.
I was getting shot from 2 directions.
You fit that in there, fucking hell.
It's not that thick.
I'd put a little hole in the weight, the weight.
Why don't you just load it with your hand? Why don't you load it with your hand?
That'd be arse.
Yeah, I don't really work with it. Yeah, because why?
Because Battlefield 3 is my favourite game,
Oh.
and my favourite pistol, M9 with flashlight.
I don't know why, because I hate the M9.
It's a mare gun in the game.
don't forget, guys, it's one life on here. Under the next netting and wait there.
I was thinking I'm sniping. Bye.
I might go back, and they've removed it. The back of the field, below the church. You'll see other people.
Church?
Castle, yeah. I forget them
You call the church
3
a castle.
times today, 3 or 4 times.
If you do.
Go on, do it.
Do it, Dean.
No, do it.
Dean, do it.
Don't do it, Dean. Don't do it, Dean.
You shoot me, I shoot him. And then he shoots you. And I shoot him in the back of the head. Ah!
No,
Whoa!
oh!
Oh! He's not going to get involved.
I got your vengeance.
You know what? You got me right there.
They're the worst. Stomach.
I didn't even shoot you either. Wasn't a big shot.
Well, in great times of war, a truce was formed.
That's powerful, that is, mate.
What?
God, that is.
The TM one.
Yeah.
It's Saturn's meaty. It's because it's got such a fucking big slide.
You okay, mate? Are okay?
That was a fucking fun. I need to do that more.
I'm just staring at you like.
I'm on semi only like all the time, so. Oh, are they close?
Come on, mate.
Nope.
Yeah, exactly, mate.
Woohoo!
Like, can you come in close on the right?
Just watch there and there.
Point blank. Got it?
Rob, they're there. Watch them to come round.
You there? Stefan, right there. That's three.
Fuck, that was too high.
Stefan at the end as well.
I'm not used to this holster.
Hit. Fuck, that hurt, man. Your hand. That's alright, man. Carefully. Good man coming out.
Hit! Good shot, mate. Oh. Oh. Did you see what I was trying there? Unfortunately, my band was on my right side. Dead man. Good. Oh. So close. Where is he?
So you know the door where it goes out? He's just there. On the right hand side.
Where is he right?
Standing on the right hand side. Just as it goes out, you know.
Come on, peek.
Or open that beacon, because yeah, we need to get rid of them because they're really far up.
You're only doing nothing.
Do what you want, mate. I don't care if we win or lose. Weapon hit.
In the middle of the castle.
Yeah.
We're a grenade gun, mate.
If you got one. Hey, just shoot a fuckload at that barricade. How the fuck do I put?
Just the very top.
Oh,
That's it.
hey, just spray that wall. Oh, for fuck's sake! You gonna fucking hit? Good shot.
That was a ricochet.
Yeah.
Not on me. Oh my gun's out of ammo! Fuck! Fucking cunt!
I was looking through some footage, you know what it has on, and it literally starts a video with you going, "You're so sexy, Pete." That's literally, I'm like,
He's not going to let you live that down, is he?
I don't mind, it's true.
When you get hit, come back here, tap in, get straight back out.
right, doesn't great because
He tapped the outside,
oh my god,
Are you sweating with all that gear on,
He's literally, here's the barricade. I can't see.
He took the barricade. He barricaded himself.
Bless.
Well, I think I got about 50 that round.
Yeah.
I'm
holding that on my full auto, yeah. I don't know if
Because it got replaced by a pistol.
things are coming out.
Are you winding?
Keep winding it.
No, okay.
Sounds like you're out of ammo.
It sounds like it's very empty as well.
Who's holding the stretcher there?
Leaving it there for a bit. Clear as many out again. Then click it.
Just fill that mag up whilst you've not got anything to do.
No, mine's got.
Shake it.
Well,
Get in there.
It's a standard one which is like longer than this. Then they made the cable.
Why would you not do anything? You might as well reload. You've not got many mags. What?
You're missing your arse part.
Yeah. It's not that big right now. Oh, I'm fucked. Not really how it works. No. No. You have to aim, you can shoot through them, but you have to aim. No. Yeah, you can do that. As long as you're looking right next to where you're shooting. Got one. Woo, we both fucked him up. No. You're not even shooting. Are they there?
They're in the barricade, yeah.
Got to. Yeah, they were in the barricade. I was just shooting through the post box.
Oh, they weren't even in it,
Yeah. Oh, there's one prone at the middle barricade. Peek out a foot, you'll see it. Oh, there she goes.
What? Oh shit, Stefan, right, quick, right. I'm out of ammo. Fuck me.
Hey, is that your gun shooting? Yeah. Shoot it there. Stay down, just shoot it there. It's not shooting, mate. Go see the marshal. Just stay down, put your hand up, go see the marshal. Fuck, just stay here and be a distraction, mate. I haven't got ammo I can give you, I'm afraid. It's all in my mags. Shit. gently beneath us.
Where are you going to try and put that?
Right there.
I don't know what it was. Got the lead. We didn't get to throw that grenade up here then.
Huh?
We didn't get to throw that grenade up here then.
No, I threw it down there.
No, there was a guy waiting to throw one up here.
Oh, that was good timing.
Well, I walked around.
Oh, right. Oh, I scared him off then.
No, he's not here. He's got his hand in the air walking away.
Move.
No kill!
Woohoo. Are you in?
Yeah, shoot.
They must. Fucking hell, that took a lot of hits.
Yeah, I don't know what they're allowed in all about.
Game over. 90% of those shots hit him and he took fucking ages to call it.
What's that time of day? Something like that.
Something like that, I think.
Before the game ended, you stood over there and I stood behind a tree.
Was that?
Yeah, I realised, I was like, why am I still getting hit?
Oh, I wondered why.
And I was like, my hands up, but I'm having a chat, but from where he is, I'm just stood here with it.
I was going to say, I'm like, he's a regular, he fucking wouldn't do that. That's why I was just paggering you.
I was having a chat to one of them with my hand up like that, and I was like, oh wait, you can't see it.
I said it after, I was like, he's a fucking regular, why would he do that? Pete was like, oh, it's hot, end of the day, all that, and I was just like, fucking hell.
I was like, because the dude went all the way out there.
Yeah.
And I was like, are you allowed out there, bud? With my hand up.
Yeah,
And I was like, oh, it's behind a
I
fucking
said that
tree.
as well. I was like, why are they out fucking there? But
I
oh
was
well.
like, is that... Oh shit, my hand's behind a tree. Yeah, you got me.
Yeah, that's alright then. I was getting worried.
I realised after a bit, I was like, still shooting? What's... Oh.
Yeah, I shot you like 12 times, I think.
You can't see it.
Ah, no worries. You know, dude with...
No, to Tony. To Tony.
You're not done!
Tony.
Move!
Hold on to that, mate.
I'll touch Tony.
Hold fire!
Yeah, you know. Bandit, 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 bandit! Bandit over here! Bandit! Bandit!
Bandit!
Hey, they're friendly in that corridor. Oh, you got him up top, nice, nice, nice. Bandit, Peter! Peter! Across! Bandit! Right, bands move in!
Bandit, move in! Done it!
Bandit, move in! Bomb floor! Guys, move in! Flood the stairs! Flood the stairs!
With that, just thank you very much. Clear your guns for the last time. Start making your way toward them.
Thank you. Thank you.
The two pistols. my M4 though.
Yeah.
Because the scope I can use really easily. It's so easy to use this scope. It's not as big a like zoom as I thought it was.
Oh shit.